This is Dexter Floyd, this is my YouTube. This is my very good mate and someone I work with called Johnny. If he wasn't in a wheelchair, I would call him Stephen Hawking because he knows fucking shitloads about science. Anyway.
And there's Queef.
And that is...
One of you guys give me a topic and go.
Black holes.
Black holes. Okay, so it's a singularity. The thing is about singularities is the closer you get, the slower time will go. As you move into a singularity, the space and time that you're in will elongate. Okay, so basically the time that you're perceiving will be longer. So a second to you will be 3 hours to some brer far over there. But you'll be just where you are, and as soon as you come, if you can, as long as you can get out of the gravitational pull of the singularity, you'll be in the future of the other person, but you'll have sort of skipped ahead. When you get too far into singularity, you get to the point where there is no return, and no one knows what happens when you get to that no return point. It's sort of like when you run out of fuel on the battlefield and you've got the halfway point. There is no halfway point unless you have like mathematics down to the point where you know what power you have. We have no idea what power you need, and we at the moment have no idea what power you will need to get to that point. But once you get past that point, your guess is as good as mine. The thing is though, the time machine of the black hole is a reality, and you can travel into the future as long as you are in the gravitational pull of a singularity. The difference of gravity is in effect even between the surface of the Earth and the GPS satellites that hover above us, not what, 2-3 miles above our heads. They have to calculate the difference between the atomic clock on the GPS satellite and the atomic clock on Earth to figure out where you are whenever you use your smartphone to try and find out where you are. They had a big argument over this because they thought there's I'm talking, we've got the smartest guys on the planet trying to figure this stuff out. This is like 15 years ago. It's common knowledge now. I'm talking to you guys as if like, you know, you're just learning this stuff. Like, and you are, like, because it is not common knowledge. So the guys up in space figuring this stuff out have to work on this atomic clock scale, but not just on one singular level. They have to figure out how much gravity is affecting your time dilation. So you have to know how much time dilation that you are on the surface of the planet the Earth to know where you are. And in a black hole, you may as well be stagnant. You may as well just be in one spot, stuck for thousands of years. If you had the power to get away from that point, to get away back to what we perceive as the normal reality of space, you could technically go from where you are now, travel to the black hole, which will take, as we are now, a lot of time, so you'll miss a lot of shit anyway, but get to that point and miss a whole lot of shit. Like, I'm talking thousands, if not billions of years, depending on where you are and the power you have. You guys run away. Let these guys run away. Bumming science is cool. Bumming science is cool because you'll have a better grasp of where you're at.
Give me how cool science is in like 4 words.
Basically, you're really, really fucking small. You're so fucking small, you may as well not even exist.
Johnny, did you get shot today?
I did get shot quite a lot. So,
but basically, Johnny, we can say that science is the shit.
Science basically will tell you where you're at, wherever you want to be. Whether you want to be on the massive scale, you want to know where everything is, where you can see. But the shit you can't see, the tiny stuff that you can't even imagine what you're made of. You are made of trillions and trillions of cells, and cells are made of trillions, if not quadrillions. Like, I'm talking, we're going above the scale you can comprehend of atoms.
Can you do me one thing? Can everyone just go, you know, if everyone's seen my first video, and I go, YouTube! Can you do me a YouTube?
Fuck it. YouTube!
Hello, YouTube!
Very
YouTube!
good!
YouTube.
That's Keith being gay. That's science in how many words?
Seriously, in about
4,000?
I don't know how
That's
many
5
words
minutes
just
worth
said,
of science.
but
YouTube.
You will do well.
If
so
you got that
listen
far,
to me.
you've earned the fact that we're cool.
We know our shit. All of us. Robson knows your shit. I teach this guy.
Really?
Well, no, he
What?
teaches me. I teach him.
I teach him crack pipes.
Star Wars.